Morning everyone. Today in this session you will be learning about the concept called as events. Okay, events are nothing but they are said to be the actions which are said to be monitored by the whole program. Okay, mainly event, it is nothing but an action which is being performed on various that. Okay, so here when you are said to be calling an event is when you click a mouse. Okay, when you are using the keyboard, when you are said to be doing some movements, you are writing a graphical program where a ball is moving from one end to another end, x-axis to y-axis, everything, those are said to be nearly the events which occur in the programmatic concept. Okay, mainly your events, they are said to be built upon the delegates concept. You are using the same the delegates concept which you have learned in the previous session, and in this one you are said to be having a, in the events you are said to be having a publisher subscriber model. Okay, publisher and a subscriber model. What is a publisher? It's nothing but in the class when an event is said to be raised. Okay, in the class when an event is raised, that becomes the publisher. Okay, when this receiver class, it is said to be handling the event. When the class is said to be handling the event, then it is said to be a subscriber. Okay, subscriber, there is a difference between a publisher and a subscriber. A class which is said to be raising an event, when it is said to be starting an event, then it is publisher. When the class is said to be handling those events, then it is said to be a subscriber. Okay, so events are the members of the classes which are said to be declared with the keyword event. They are said to be declared with what? They are said to be declared with the keyword event. And mainly the declaration of an delegate, you all know how it is being done. You have a public delegate void event name. This is your declaration of your delegate, and in that you are said to be having a event name. Whichever event you are said to be doing within the program, whatever event you are said to be handling, that event name is being specified here. Okay, here the event name, it will be specified, either you may be using the concept as en. Okay, en is nothing but your event object which you are said to be handling within the programmatic concept. Okay, so this is about events. Let's learn a small program which is easier and simpler to understand for yourself. So here you can check a program is there where a event B is being handled. Okay, earlier you have said to be learning about the concept of delegate. It is declaration is public. This and all, it is common for everything. Okay, you give the same way. Then you have public delegate void delegate event handler. You have a public void delegate event handler. This is nothing but your event name, en is nothing but your event name is there, and a variable is being taken here. You can check out here, a variable is being taken here, nothing but previous amount 2193.56, which is a amount which is being specified for your particular event. Okay, there are various events works which are being done. So one of the event is nothing but you are said to be having a method called as deposit. Within the event you have a method called as deposit. Okay, and here in the deposit method you have a balance which is being printed. That balance, current bank balance, is the previous amount. Previous amount is in the beginning whatever you have initialized, that is 2193.56. Okay, and reward is there. Reward is nothing but, okay, I like some performance, I like give some rewards for the people. Okay, at that time the public static void main, the reward is being considered. Reward is what? If the previous amount, whatever it is, if it is greater than or equal to 5000, if it is greater than or equal to 5000, then the bonus is being given. That bonus is about 500. Okay, that bonus is being preferred as 500. So in the total, when the reward is being considered, it has a statement which is being printed with the amount which is given as the bonus, that is bonus applied, that is bank balance equals previous amount. This is your previous amount plus bonus, but you can check out your previous amount here, it is said to be lesser than 5000. So here the bonus is not being applied. If this previous amount is said to be more than 5000, then only you are said to be awarded with a what? Awarded with a bonus of 500. Okay, so otherwise no bonus is applied, nothing is there. As usual, whatever it is there, no bonus applied, it will be Okay, so in the main part, once again when you are using handling the event, you have to mention it before the main method. So mentioning it has happened here. You can check out the event handler, public static event, delegate event handler is there. So DEH is nothing but delegate event handler. Okay, so you are mainly the events which you are specifying, it will be declared in this way. Okay, event handler is equal to new delegate event handler deposit, and once again the delegate event handler DH plus is equal to new delegate event handler reward. You are said to be considering, and they are said to be invoking that particular methods. That is, the DH is nothing but it is said to be invoking the event handler. It is being invoked here, and the output is being printed here. You can check out. That is nothing but total bank balance. The total overall bank balance is 2193.56. What is the total balance? 2193.56. That is your total balance which is being calculated. It is said to be printed. Since the amount it is not said to be more than 5,000, it will not be considered in the bonus part. Directly it will print no bonus apply. Okay, if you take the same program, when you execute, when your amount is more than 5,000, then the reward is considered and the output is said to be printed. Okay, this is an example where you can have checked out. It has various methods and delegates which are being there, and the events which are being handled within the program. The events which are being considered here are only 2 events are there. You can check out. You are said to be considering the events deposit and reward, which comes under that particular section. Okay, this is the concept of events. Comes under the delegates only, so it is called as delegates and events. Okay, since you cannot learn attestation the delegates and the events, I have separated it as delegate as a separate part and event as a separate part. Okay, so this is the concept of events. In the next session we will be learning about the other concepts which are there in the syllabus. Okay, thank you.